Um, for case number 4, okay, in this case, we have two involved na identities. The first involved is the integral of tangent raised to n of x dx. So, meaning to say, pag nakakita ka ng single na tangent x tapos naka-exponent siya, ito yung i-apply natin. Ngayon, ang partner niya ay parehas lang din ang gagawin for cotangent raised to n of x dx naman. Okay. So, ma'am, ano yung condition natin for the exponent? Kunyari, tangent n, ang cotangent, sabihin natin letter m. So, ito, whether siya ay n or m, as long as ito ay positive integer. So, walang condition kung siya ay odd or even. Parehas pa rin ang gagawin natin. So, ano yung parehas na gagawin? You're going to extract square na either tangent or cotangent. If you're given is tangent, extract ka ng square. So, kung magtatanggal ka ng square, kung mag-minus 2 ka, tapos dito mo ilagay sa tabi yung in-extract mo na tan squared. Kung yan naman ay cotangent, raised to mx, magma-minus 2 ka naman, then dito mo ilalagay si cotangent squared of x dx. Okay? Tapos, yung, remember ito, you're going to substitute dito sa tan squared na to, yung in-extract mo, yung ating trigonometric identity na tan squared x is equal to secant squared of x minus 1. So, actually, same lang siya dito. Kung cotangent squared, papalitan mo lang naman. Diba? Kung cotangent squared yan, instead of secant squared, that will be cosecant squared minus 1. Yun lang yung ating isa-substitute. Okay? So, para mas maintindihan natin, let's answer this. Another example, let's have this example. Let's say you have tan cube of x dx. So, answer tayo ng isang odd, isang even. For tangent cube of x, sabi nga natin, the first step is you're going to extract squared. So, kung magtatanggal ka ng 2 sa 3, so magiging 1 na lang, hindi ko na isulat yan. Tapos, yung squared na yon ay ilagay ko dito. Okay? Then, afterwards, i-rewrite lang natin integral ng tangent of x. Itong tan squared, sabi ko nga sa inyo, papalitan na siya ng secant squared. So, that will be secant squared of x minus 1. Ito po yan, yung tan squared. Then, you have dx. Okay? So, dito sa part na to, i-distribute lang natin yung tangent x dx dito sa secant squared. So, let's rewrite an integral of tangent of x times secant squared. So, i-rewrite po natin secant squared dito. Yung dx, i-distribute din natin. Minus. Yung tan x times 1, so integral of tangent of x, yung dx times 1, still dx. Okay? Dinistribute lang natin siya. Then, ang mangyayari dito is we're going to let the tangent of x as u, automatic class, itong secant squared, siya yung magiging derivative. No? So, lagi naman yan. If you have tangent, derivative niya secant squared. So, kung pipili ka, pilihan mo yung tangent. Paano kung may exponent siya? 2, 3, 4, 5. Tan squared, tan cube, walang problem. Just pick tangent. Okay? Tangent as your u. And then, the derivative of tangent is secant squared of x dx. Okay? So, pag meron ka na dyan, pwede na tayong mag-integrate. Okay? Class for the integral of tangent of x dx, ang integration po niyan ay negative ln of cosine. So, later, I'll be showing kung paano siya nangyari or kasi medyo hahaba siya dito eh. Okay, so pwede din naman, sige, i-show ko na para at least, pero, ito, remember this. Integral of tangent of x dx, pag-isahan lang, that will be negative ln of cosine of x plus c. Okay? So, yun po yung kanyang magiging integration. So, isulat ko na lang dito sa gilid later kung paano siya nangyari para mag-proceed na tayo. Okay? So, dito, balik tayo. Yung u natin, yung tangent natin is u, and itong secant squared dx, siya si du. So, ito lang pala yun. Okay, tapos ito, hindi pa tayo nag-integrate. So, i-rewrite lang natin siya. Tan x dx. Okay? Then, afterwards, apply na natin si power rule. So, sa u, magkakaroon ka, u raised to 1 yan, diba? Ang power rule, u raised to the exponent plus 1, you have 2 over the exponent plus 1. Then, ito, naka-minus kanina. Pero remember, ang integral ng tan x is negative ln cosine of x. So, ibig sabihin, magkakaroon tayo dito ng negative ln of cosine of x plus c. Okay, so if I were you, I'll be memorizing the integral of tangent x instead of always solving it. Okay, mamaya ipakita ko yung solution. So, dun sa u squared, pwede na nating palitan. Ang u kasi natin is tangent na. Therefore, tangent squared of x all over, ito lang pala ito. Negative times negative is positive. Positive ln of cosine of x plus c. And that will be our final answer.